Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 2, Build Accessory Package. Next, we'll install the Remote ID module. Flip the drone over and support it carefully. Do not rest the frame on the GPS mast. On the south side of the carrier board, loosen the rail mount set screws and slide the rail out of the way to create space. Now grab the Remote ID module, the antenna, and hardware from Bag E. Remove all PEM nut coverings from the mounting posts. Position the Remote ID module onto the posts as shown. Apply a small amount of thread locker to each screw, then install and tighten them securely.